Now, let's break these codes down. So, here we have LM109X. That sounds so complex. LM basically means that this micrograph was taken using a light microscope. And then 109x means that this image has been magnified 109 times. Sounds simple now, doesn't it? But it is very important to remember that light microscopy has certain limits in terms of its resolution and magnification. The light microscope can magnify objects only about 1500 times without causing any blurriness. So, this indicates that the magnification power of the light microscope is 1500 times. When looking at the resolving power of a light microscope, it is 0.2 micrometers, and 1 micrometer is 1,000th of a millimeter. This simply means that a light microscope cannot distinguish objects that are smaller than 0.2 micrometers. And amazingly enough, this is the same size as about the size of the smallest bacteria. Now, the image of the bacterium can actually be magnified many times. But since we are using a light microscope, we unfortunately can't see the detail of its internal structure. But don't you worry, there's a solution for that too. This is where the electron microscope comes in and handles the game. Now, what exactly is an electron microscope, or EM for short? Well, EMs are the most advanced form of microscopes because of their jaw-dropping resolution and magnification powers. An electron microscope can magnify objects about 250,000 times. Yes, you heard that right, 250,000 times. But not only this, the resolving power of an electron microscope is much higher than light microscopes. The most modern electron microscope that we have today is able to distinguish objects that are as small as 0.2 nanometers. And 1 nanometer is 100,000th of a millimeter. Wow! So, isn't the EM a 1,000-fold improvement over a light microscope? Yup, it so is. And just when you thought that that's it, electron microscope says, hey, no, I can also detect individual atoms under special conditions. The cells, organelles, and even molecules such as DNA or even proteins. Like I said already, mind-blowing.